Hello everyone! Today I'm making marshmallows. The ingredients and instructions are in the description below this video. I pour water into a saucepan, add agar-agar, mix it, and let it sit for 10 minutes to hydrate. In this recipe, I need to cook the syrup and whip the egg whites at the same time. I do everything simultaneously. I add sugar to the saucepan, mix it and place it over medium heat. I bring it to a boil, stirring constantly. After boiling, I cook the syrup for 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes slightly thick and forms a thin, continuous thread when poured off a spoon. Next, I add apple puree to the syrup. I mix it quickly and cook for another 30 to 60 seconds until the mixture becomes smooth and slightly thickened. I've left a recipe for homemade apple puree in the video description. While the syrup is cooking, I whip the egg whites with citric acid until soft peaks form. I then gradually add sugar and vanilla, continuing to whip until stiff peaks form. I mix the components. I pour the hot syrup into the whipped whites in a thin stream without stopping the mixer. I continue whipping for another 5 to 7 minutes until the mixture thickens and becomes dense. I transfer the marshmallow mixture into a piping bag with a tip. I'm using tip number 1M. Once I've taken half of the marshmallow mixture and placed it in the piping bag, and the remaining part is left, I carefully gather it with a spatula, cover it with a damp cloth, and place it in a preheated oven at 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. I pipe the marshmallow mixture onto parchment paper. For convenience, you can pre-draw circles of the desired diameter on it so that the marshmallows turn out even and uniform. Then I let them set for 8 to 12 hours. In the video, I'm making very small marshmallows to fit in a small bowl. You can choose a different tip or make swirls twice as large. It all depends on your imagination. Next, I take the remaining marshmallow mixture out of the oven. I make sure to knock it down with a spatula and mix it thoroughly. Then I continue shaping the marshmallows into the desired form. Of course, mine aren't all perfect, but if you make them more often, they'll turn out smoother and prettier. Once the marshmallow is stabilized, I dust it with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch using a sieve or a pastry brush. This prevents stickiness and gives it a nice texture. If desired, you can pair the marshmallow halves together. See you soon, friends. Thank you for being with me. May everything always turn out delicious in your kitchen. See you in the next video.